Alright, today I'm gonna give y'all a little, rundown of the Snoops app. If I said that right, Snoops. If I didn't, forgive me, but this is the app. You can store, organize anything that is very close to your heart, dear, that you collect, from coins, sneakers to, everything else. But of course, for me, it's sneakers. And I'm just, scrolling down, showing out some stuff. Let's go to Mr. Farmer Simpson. Little ASICS shelf, excuse me. But yeah, he's doing that. Very clean. And you got other people up here, showing their personal collection for us to see. You can, it's not like, but you can hit it like a wow button or whatever, and you can follow them and everything else. So the person that really got me into this app was We Are The Trend, and I'm gonna go to his page right now, showing some of his sneakers from his collection. I think he did like his entire collection, but it's dope, and I'm really feeling the app and everything. Yeah, so let's go to my page real quick so I can show y'all. I posted a few things so far on my page. I didn't want to do too much, but there it is. I put my YouTube in my bio. I have a few followers right now, but yeah, it's clean. Just waiting on this to load up real quick. Just a cool app, and you need to check it out. Some of the people I'm following as of now, shout outs to Tony D, Farmer Simpson, We Are The Trend. But some of my pictures that I got, and that's pretty much it. But give the app a try, and I'm pretty sure you'll love it, especially if you're a sneakerhead or you just want to try something different. But that's it. Alright, Sway Kicks, I'm out. Peace.